Hi, my name is Matthew, your math learning strategist, and today we're going to solve a word problem involving percent. In 2016, there were 13,102,100 tons of copper ore and gold exported from Canada. Of this number, about 1,978,400 tons were gold. What percent of the exports were gold? To solve this problem, we have to consider the key components of the word problem. So the first question is, what is the question asking for? So we can see right at the end of the question, it asks, what percent of the exports were gold? So that is what we are looking for. Now, what are the key numbers or variables within the question? So we have the following key pieces of information. For example, 13,102,100 tons were copper ore and gold, of which 1,978,400 tons were gold. So now we can set up the calculation. But before that, we have to relate the mathematical operation with the keywords. So the key words in this problem is percent of the exports. So this tells me a few things. So the word percent tells me that I need to convert my calculation into percentage. That is why in the calculation, you can see that I'm multiplying by 100%. Now the word of the exports means that I will be dividing by the total weight of the exports. In this case, the 13,102,100 tons of copper ore and gold goes to the bottom of the fraction. Now that I've identified that, I want to do the calculation. But calculating for what? So I know I'm calculating for gold, not copper ore. So that is why the weight of the gold exports are put on the top of the fraction. Now to complete my calculations, I take the 1,978,400 tons of gold divided by the total export weight. That fraction gives me approximately 0.15099 and so on. When I multiply that by 100% and I round that to the nearest hundredths of a percent, or the second decimal place, I get 15.10%. Now to complete the question, I answer in a word sentence and say approximately 15.10% of the exports were gold.